Hi everyone, it's Carl here from Sydney, Australia, and in today's lesson we're going to learn words about agriculture. Agriculture is very important in Australia, it's very important in many countries, and at the end of this lesson you'll know how to talk about it in English. So let's look at some nouns. Agriculture, agriculture. Ch, ch. Culture, culture. Agriculture, agriculture. Agriculture, agriculture. Animal, animal. Mole, mole. Nimble, nimble. Animal, animal. Farm, farm. Arm, arm. Farm, farm. Farmer, farmer. M, m. Armor, armor. Farmer, farmer. Potato, potato. Toe, toe. Tato, tato. Potato, potato. Orange, orange. Ringe, ringe. Orange, orange. Tractor, tractor. T, t. Tractor, tractor. Sheep, sheep. P, p. Eep, eep. Sheep, sheep. Plenty of those in New Zealand, I can tell you. Chicken, chicken. Kin, kin. Icken, icken. Chicken, chicken. Duck, duck. Uck, uck. Duck, duck. Alpaca, alpaca. Ka, ka. Packer, packer. Alpaca, alpaca. And a wonderful children's book, Alpacas with Maracas. Very good to read with your kids. Cow, cow. Ow, ow. Cow, cow. Pig, pig. Ig, ig. Pig, pig. Horse, horse. Horse, horse. Horse, horse. Now let's look at some verbs. Collect the eggs. Collect the eggs. Lect, lect. Collect, collect. Collect the eggs. Collect the eggs. Feed the cows. Feed the cows. D, d. Eed, eed. Feed, feed. Feed the cows. Feed the cows. Sheep, sheep. Feed the sheep. Feed the sheep. Milk the cows. Milk the cows. ilk, ilk, milk, milk, milk the cows, milk the cows. Ride a horse, ride a horse. I'd, I'd, ride, ride. Remember for the r sound, the tongue in the back of the mouth. Ride, ride a horse, ride a horse. Drive a tractor, drive a tractor. Rive, rive. Drive, drive. Drive a tractor, drive a tractor. Shear an alpaca, shear an alpaca. Ear, ear. Shear, shear. Shear an alpaca, shear an alpaca. Okay, let's see what you've learnt. I'm going to show you some phrases and ask you to choose the correct verb. Driver, driver, what's this one? Is it driver tractor? That's right, driver tractor. Perfect. The cows. The cows. Feed the cows. You got it again. Feed the cows. The sheep. What's this one? That's right. Feed the sheep. Feed the sheep. You're doing very well. What about this one? Excellent. That's right. Ride a horse. Ride a horse. Do you remember this word? That's right. Collect. Collect the eggs. Collect the eggs. An alpaca. That's right. Shear an alpaca. Shear an alpaca. Excellent work, everyone. So there's some nouns and verb phrases to talk about agriculture. I hope you understood the lesson well. I hope you're doing very well learning English, and I hope you have a fantastic time until I see you again in the next video. Bye for now.